Hello, everyone. My name is Brandon A. Thomas, and I am a graduated student from Full Sail University. From the months of hard work and dedication to my craft, I earned a bachelor's degree in science and digital cinematography. Afterwards, I continued to use my newly gained knowledge and got to work on internships and projects with my colleagues. I grew up loving the behind-the-scenes disc, sometimes even more than the actual movie. I've always had a fascination with how these ideas get from paper to the big screen. You inspired me when I toured CNN 10 years ago. The environment was busy, bustling, and full of excitement. I knew one day I wanted to play a part. So, I would like you all, respectively, to keep inspiring others and keep contributing to the mission at TBS. All of you have a very special responsibility. In high school, I attended the Golden Isles Career Academy and took my first classes in audio-video technology. My teacher, Kevin Pullen, loved to give me new hands-on experiences. I operated cameras, created news stories, and set up stage lights. I also directed other classmates. Growing up, I fell in love with books before film. I enjoyed reading The Wizarding World of Harry Potter, Star Wars, and a series of unfortunate events, plus any other series you can name. Cartoon Network also has a deep place in my memories. I am simply a fan with the dream, and we all started as fans. We all started out as fans with the dream. Getting here was not easy. A lot of my family turned their backs on me, but you cannot change what happened in the past, but you can keep moving forward. The message I want to stress is the ability to use stories, television, and books as an outlet. People look forward to the content provided by Turner Studios. It was all created by inspiring people like yourself. Around the world, people see your message. I am living proof that anyone can chase their dreams if you never give up and keep fighting. I have a love for film that I cannot explain. I think it's because behind the amazing cutscenes, the spooky jump scares, the awe-inspiring sports moments, and even the most painful headlines, there is still a chance and opportunity to reach someone who needs it. I cannot watch a movie without noticing every aspect that went into it. Let us work together now and carry what we learned all along the way. Lead the way as I have. I dedicated much time, energy, and effort into my work. In early January 2021, I took the first steps into a creative career. I studied, became a clear communicator, and refined the skills taught to me by Full Sail University. After graduation, I still worked on perfecting my craft. I shot and edited my own videos and posted them on Instagram. Using multiple script writing techniques, I worked on my own screenplay, The Universe is Speaking, and I hope to one day share that story with the world. I am ready to take the next steps towards the future of entertainment, helping you all here at Turner Studios. Lead the way, fellow people with a dream, and thank you for taking time to listen to my message. I know it is your most precious resource in an industry where time is often unavailable. Allow us to continue the mission at TBS to inspire, create, and broadcast new content for others to enjoy every day. Ted Turner founded TBS years ago. Let's carry on what he planned. Teamwork and great communication can build relationships that can last for years. I believe that what you do is more important than what we can gain from our own personal satisfactions. This is not about my goal, but our mission. There are others in America and around the world who look up to you and sit in anticipation for what you decide to create next. If you allow us to work together, the future of engaging content creators seems bright.